met Gordon, he blew his whistle, calling Thomas to bring his coaches. Even though I don't do that, I felt kind and comfortable with these passenger carriages.
I sure do hope I'll miss them, and they will come back soon. Even though this engine looks nothing like me, but shrunk down and marketable version of us. And Diesel, of course, I do miss them too. Like he will send them away to the mainland for some extra work, since others don't want to find out about that. I agree with you, since I haven't seen him for a day ago. I wonder where he went. What was that sound?
Guys, I have something to tell you all.
Wilson, what happened to you? You felt different.
Well, we don't want to talk about that because it's kind of a long story shortly.
Did you get a new paint job or something after your accident?
Well, yes, but we don't want to talk about that. I just checked all over the island to find Matteo, and I found some logs that were standing there, and I did not notice Matteo is missing.
Did you just said Mateo is missing?
Yes, he's missing. I checked all over the island of Sodor to the mainland to main line, and he's not there, especially if I checked in the Great Western Line. Only tomorrow, together we'll find Matteo, and I'll speak to you when he will be founded. See you tomorrow.
Wow, I did not expect that if Mateo was missing. He delivers all anythings fast, especially if he's going on flight or rails. I know Percy. He hasn't been come back for at least a day ago, or at least 26 hours lately. But do not worry, we'll find Mateo tomorrow. Just a fresh start and we'll be here.